Hello everybody. In previous videos, we know that blood flows in blood vessels. The blood that is pumped by the heart reaches the all body parts and come back to the heart. This is happens in the way in a cyclic form. This is known as blood circulation. Blood circulation is not the same in all animals. It is divided into two types: single circulation, double circulation. Single blood circulation occurs in fishes. In fishes, they have two chambered heart, one atrium, one ventricle. Deoxygenated blood collected from the body parts reaches to the auricle, from then reaches to the ventricle. From ventricle, it supplies to the gills. In gills, the blood is changed from deoxygenated to oxygenated and supplies to the directly body parts. In this way, in fishes, blood flows through heart only once for completing one circulation. This is known as single circuit circulation. Double circulation we observe in birds and mammals. In these animals, the heart is divided into four chambers, two auricles, two ventricles. Left side of heart consists of oxygenated blood. Right side of the heart filled with deoxygenated blood. In these animals, blood circulation is divided into two types. One is pulmonary circuit, second one is systemic circuit. Pulmonary circuit takes place between heart and lungs. Systemic circuit takes place between the heart and body parts. In these two circuits, blood is pumped by heart. That's why the heart is known as double circuit heart. First one, pulmonary circuit. Deoxygenated blood reaches to the right auricle, then right ventricle. From right ventricle, pulmonary artery arises and it carries away deoxygenated blood to lungs. In lungs, the blood is get oxygenated and oxygenated blood through pulmonary veins reaches to the left auricle. This is known as pulmonary circuit. Second, systemic circuit. Left ventricle receives the oxygenated blood from left auricle and systemic aorta arises from left ventricle. It carries oxygenated blood to body parts. From body parts, deoxygenated blood is collected by superior and inferior vena cava. It is reaches to the right auricle. This is known as systemic circuit. In this way, in these animals, the blood flows through the heart twice for completing one circulation. It is called double circulation. Key points: if blood flows through heart only once for completing one circulation, it is called single circulation. If the blood flows through the heart twice for completing one circulation, it is called double circulation. Single circulation observed in fishes, double circulation observed in birds and mammals. Double circulation consists of two circuits. One is pulmonary circuit, second one is systemic circuit.